Okay, Carolyn and Amber, here is my Google Classroom. So one thing I've decided to do, let me move well, never mind. What I've decided to do is put my Zoom right here under the stream. So it's the very first thing and the only thing that they see. And then every day after we're done, I'll go in there and I'll go in there and delete it and then add another one to it. And then what Tara was talking about with the question board, I might put that up here also. Put any questions or concerns, please post here and put that there. But anyway, after I'm done with them, what they'll need to do is they'll go into my classroom, go to classwork, and what I'm going to have, I haven't decided if I want to post every day or if I just want to post one day at a time. Right now, this is the sample of what I'd like to do. It has the date, it has the day, it's their daily assignment. I need to put assignments. They double click on that, and well, hold on. Click on that and click on question. And what it has is reading, MobyMax language 15 minutes, MobyMax reading skills literature 15 minutes, journal write 2 to 3 sentences on the prompt. I haven't added the prompt yet, but I will. Watch the Zoom video and answer these questions. Have you been bullied? How did it make you feel? For math, do MobyMax math 15 minutes, fact fluency for 15 minutes, and if you have dice, play pig with someone. And here's the link to MobyMax, so you can click on it. Here's the Zoom link that I did a recording of myself reading a book, and they can get that from there. The questions right here, have you been bullied? How did it make you feel? They'll submit those right here, and then they'll submit them to me. But that is how I am planning on putting in my assignments. I do want to know if there's an easier way for them to get to that, because right now it goes straight to there. So I'll have to play with that. Hopefully there's an easier way, but what I'm going to do is on Tuesday I'm going to share this with them so that they can see me doing it, and I might even record myself doing this also and sending it to them so they can sit there and watch it over and over as well. So that's what I'm planning on doing. I'm going to keep it very simple. I'm not going to lie. The majority of my work is going to be MobyMax because it literally has everything. It tracks everything from their time, what they get wrong, what they did good in, shows their progress. I can't think of a better tool and everything on there is their goal. So I can't think of a better tool that would follow that. So that's my plan. I am going to put some read alouds and some questions and other things on there as well too. But MobyMax is going to be 90% of what I do. Hope this helps. Any questions? Just holler at me.